All right. Seniors, Audrey's here to help me with today's plan. And here's what we got going for Wednesday, April 29th. All right. Audrey, want to read this right here?
Complete the April 29th due now assignment. Due before 2 p.m. on Wednesday, April 29th.
Crush it. I think everyone's on board there. Good. Aud, second
Complete the
chapter.
Chapter 3, Section 2 assignment due.
Yeah, so you got some time on that. We do have Friday, Monday off. So those of you that are maybe a little bit behind or want to do some extra credit, we do have a few students that are above 100%. And that's really impressive. There's only one person that's watched The Big Short. Monica Diaz has watched it, and she did an outstanding job answering the questions. It's a good movie, worth watching. That's available to you. And also, the next assignment is available. That's section 3, and that's due on Thursday, May 7th. That's also available if you'd like to work ahead. So that's all I've got for you. Odd, you got anything else?
No.
All right, good work. Good work, people. Hang in there. We're going to get through this. Have a good day.